What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Bitcoin Cash. But before we get started, if you're not a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. Okay, so we're starting off here with Bitcoin Cash on the 10-day candlesticks. And you guys, the very first thing I want to show you is this massive bull flag on Bitcoin Cash. So over here, you can see that we do have downward trending resistance and downward trending support. This makes a perfect bullish flag pattern. And by the way, the bull flag is one of the most powerful patterns in trading and investing. It's super, super common in crypto and very, very powerful. If you can buy either the breakout of this flag or even a good entry near the bottom of the flag channel, you can make a lot of money trading this pattern. So we do see a perfect bull flag on Bitcoin Cash. I do expect us to break bullish out of this flag, so watch the resistance level of the downward trending channel. So that's what we're watching here on the 10-day candlesticks with Bitcoin Cash. Also, you guys, there's another thing to check out here with Bitcoin Cash. A lot of people don't know what Bitcoin looked like back in 2015 because a lot of people weren't here trading crypto in 2015. In fact, I'm pretty much one of those select few individuals that was shown crypto really early on back in 2014, actually, and I bought my first Bitcoin in 2015. So I got to see these charts really early on. And I know what the structure looked like as they broke out into new bull markets. So that's why when I see these patterns in the bigger time frame, they're so familiar to me because I have a lot of experience trading these patterns in the structure that we're seeing in the market. So over here on the right, we have Bitcoin, and over here on the left, we have Bitcoin Cash. And you can see that Bitcoin Cash is actually a lot like buying early day Bitcoin, back when Bitcoin was worth only a few $100s. In fact, the price per Bitcoin Cash is almost the same. It's worth $342 right now. And that's pretty much exactly what Bitcoin was worth right here in one of its early cycles. So you can see that the structure between these two markets is nearly identical. And this goes back to what I've been saying in all of my videos, that human psychology never changes, that markets are fractal in nature, and those patterns are self-consistent across all markets and all time frames, including crypto, right? Because humans trade crypto. And in fact, crypto, this happens probably even more clearly than some other markets because of how pure the human emotion is. It's just pure human emotion. People get so excited and so fearful that these patterns appear perfectly on the charts. Now you can see the similarities between both of these charts. You can see an ABC correction over here on Bitcoin Cash, and you can also see an ABC correction over here on Bitcoin. So both of them had that big ABC correction after they went into their overvalued phase, where they had a bit of a new paradigm euphoria over here before the crash. So they both had a nice ABC correction, and you can see Bitcoin Cash is recovering with strength and volume just in the exact same way that Bitcoin did back here in 2015. See all that volume right here? Bitcoin Cash is doing the same thing. And actually, if you do volume analysis across multiple exchanges, these spikes are even bigger than what we're seeing just here on Binance, since this is the Binance perpetual futures contract. Right? So there's even more volume across multiple exchanges. So we're seeing that same type of powerful recovery here on Bitcoin Cash that's leading into a new bull market. So what I'm watching here for Bitcoin Cash is actually a lot like what happened to Bitcoin back in 2016 and 2017, where it really started to rally and really started to pick up momentum and just blow people away. It knocked their socks off. Why? Because Bitcoin had gone through a massive correction, but it was undervalued. In the bigger picture, the demand was still extremely high for Bitcoin. So that's what took it to new all-time highs. Whenever you have a lot of demand for something, the price is going to keep going up. It's just like gold. Over time, gold has continually increased in value throughout history because gold has a lot of demand. There's a lot of use cases for gold. It's cool. It looks really cool. People like to wear it. And there's intrinsic value in gold. And same with crypto. People might say otherwise, but they haven't studied crypto. They don't understand that new technologies also have intrinsic value. Just like the internet, just like your phone, there's intrinsic value in innovation and new technologies that help solve problems for the world. So whenever you solve a problem, you create value. And Bitcoin solves a problem. Bitcoin solves a double spend problem. Bitcoin solves the microtransactions, at least Bitcoin Cash and other ones. Bitcoin is still kind of working on that. But, it solves a massive problem. So there's an intrinsic value in Bitcoin. So there's demand for it. And that demand drives prices up over time. And you can see that as Bitcoin started to pick up momentum in 2016 and 2017, this thing just completely obliterated its old all-time high and skyrocketed into new price discovery, new levels, new all-time highs, and went all the way up to 20,000 per coin. That's exactly what we're seeing here with Bitcoin Cash. I mean, if you weren't here early day Bitcoin, you can be here early day Bitcoin Cash. It's getting ready to do the same exact thing that Bitcoin did in 2016 and 2017, where it's blowing people away. The only difference is this cycle will probably be even more euphoric because we have the hype of all the different cryptocurrencies stacking on top of each other. So the hype inside of this new cycle is going to be astronomical. It's just going to blow people away. Like I said, it's going to knock their socks off. So get ready for those bears to go into hibernation and the bulls to come out in full force and really show the world what crypto is made of. Because we're getting ready for that mass adoption phase that the internet did after the internet bubble pop. That's exactly what's happening in crypto right here, right now in 2024. So don't miss out on it, you guys. Don't miss out on all of the explosive movement that's coming in crypto. Now, if you want to join the mastermind program and learn some of this stuff yourself, apply below. We just need your name, your email, and preferably your phone number as well, so we can hop on a call with you and really get to know a little bit about your interests in crypto and help you get prepared for the next cycle and talk about the program. So apply below, link in the description box below. So yeah, that's my view on Bitcoin Cash. Get ready for a huge pump in this market. I'm really loving this setup with the bull flag, with the structure similar to early day Bitcoin. And I think a lot of people are going to be blown away. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. As always, stay profitable out there.